Hey guys, it's Justine and I'm so excited because today I'm going to be unboxing for you the brand new MacBook Pro 15-inch and the Blackmagic design eGPU. First things first, let's unbox the MacBook Pro. Then we'll get to this guy. And if you do get this, be very careful because the handle is not a functioning handle at all. I've already learned the hard way. So this is the completely spec'd out 15-inch MacBook Pro, and you guys might be like, Justine, you're absolutely crazy. And I'm not gonna deny that fact at all. But my entire job revolves around making videos. So the faster that I can make those videos, the more videos that I can make. Or I could just hire an editor, but I actually really enjoy editing. So Apple announced two new refreshes to the MacBook Pro with Touch Bar. There's a 15-inch and a 13-inch. So the top of the line 15-inch MacBook Pro is a 6-core i9 at 4.8 gigahertz, 32 gigabytes of RAM, and a 4 terabyte solid state drive. The top of the line 13-inch is a 4-core 2.7 gigahertz i7, 8 gigs of RAM, and you can get up to a 2 terabyte solid state drive. So this really is a huge upgrade from the previous versions. I mean, basically the MacBook Pro that I have right now is a completely spec'd out one from late 2016. So this one is pretty much double what I have previously. I edit most of my videos on the go. I would say probably, it's over 50% of the videos I edit when I'm traveling. And before I got the 18-core iMac Pro, I edited 100% of my videos on a laptop. It really is hard when I'm traveling going back to editing on the laptop. But with the introduction of this laptop with 32 gigs of RAM, a 6-core processor, and the 4 terabyte solid state drive, which is an extremely expensive addition. When I say extremely expensive, like you could buy an entirely other computer for the amount that you would pay for the 4 terabyte solid state drive. So if you are looking to save money, that is one easy place to save on. I think it was like $3,200 extra for the 4 terabyte drive. I know. Well, let's open it up. This is purely an unboxing video because it's actually pretty late right now. It's 10 p.m., way past my bedtime. And in a later video, I will give you guys a comparison between this and my previous MacBook. It's completely unnecessary to cut the box open like this. I'm well aware. One of the things that I was hoping is they would make the computer look a little bit different, sort of like when they launched the new Apple Watch, they put a little red dot on it. Not that I was looking for a red dot or anything. My sister also ordered one, and she was debating on whether to go with the silver as opposed to the space gray. Spoiler alert, she got the space gray as well. It just looks too good not to. Let's do this. God, it's always so exciting every single time. There's not much of a smell. Okay, yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's what I was looking for. I'm shook. This looks so clean. You guys, when you see the comparison of my laptop compared to this one, it looks like it's been through an actual war. Whoa, it's already turning on. I wasn't ready. Also in the box, we've got USB-C, we've got some paperwork, and of course, the power charging brick. So now not only did the new MacBooks get a spec jump, but they also got a new display. These now have a True Tone display, which means as the light shifts and changes, your screen will also change color. So it'll become warmer or cooler depending upon the light situation. Now for me, I do a lot of video stuff, a lot of graphics, a lot of color work. So I'm probably not gonna have that turned on because the last thing that I want is my colors to shift as I'm working on a project. I do have it turned off on my phone too. I'm not a huge fan of it, but I feel like depending upon the type of work that you do on your computer, it's something that can be super helpful. So these MacBook Pros also have the T2 chip, which first debuted in the iMac Pros, and that will allow for a secure boot, encrypted storage, and also, let's not forget, Siri. Oh shoot, no, shh.
I can't help you with calls on HomePod.
Oh, no. You gotta be very careful when you say the HEYSIRI in my household. So if you guys are looking to upgrade and you are looking to save money, I think the biggest thing that you can do is not upgrade to the 4 terabyte drive. I would recommend getting the 2 terabyte if you are doing a lot of heavy data stuff, because my sister did get the 1 terabyte and she's said that she has run out of space so many times when she's editing videos. But I do most of my editing actually off of these drives. These are the Samsung, these are the T3 versions. I also have the T5, which is a little bit faster than these. Because I do travel a lot and I'm editing from my laptop to my iMac Pro. All of my current projects that I'm working on, I edit from here. I also like to have a backup offsite, just in case I happen to lose one of these. And as I say that, I know that there's some things on here that I don't have backed up, so I should probably put these down before something bad happens. Another thing that is new is this keyboard. It's not entirely redesigned. I'm not really sure what they did to make it quieter, but it is much quieter. Okay, so now let's do a sound test of the two keyboards. This is my old Mac, this is the new Mac. I'm gonna type "Justine was here" over and over again. It's definitely quieter. Feels like slightly springier and just like a little bit softer. I'm not sure if it's the sound that's throwing me off. Let's try again. I'm also a pretty aggressive typer, so when I type, I'm pushing very hard on the keys. I'm the worst person to room with in a hotel, ever. So aesthetically, these computers look almost identical, except this one is dirty and scratched. All right, so now it's time for this. This is an eGPU. If you've never seen one of these before, it's okay, I totally get it. So I've been very well aware of these because I have been wanting to try them out for a really long time, especially because I do a lot of stuff on my laptop. Basically what this is it's an external graphics processing unit. So what that means is you can get the quality of a desktop computer in a laptop. So this essentially is just a graphics card that helps accelerate the graphics inside of your laptop. It says that this can speed up the graphics on the new 15-inch MacBook 2.8 times. So I will be testing this out in a future video, but this is just an unboxing and a little setup of the MacBook. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so here it is. So what makes this different than a lot of other eGPUs? I've been checking out the Razer one and I was thinking of getting it just to review and test it out. This is sort of Apple's answer to well, it's not even that complex, but for most people who just want plug and play, that's what this is. Most other GPUs are upgradable, this one is not. You can add multiple cards, whereas this is just, it's a very Apple solution. You plug it in and it should work. So this has 4 USB ports, 2 Thunderbolt, and also an HDMI out. This is one of the first eGPUs to support a Thunderbolt display, so that's pretty awesome. You can also charge your MacBook through here. Basically, if you want the power of a desktop in your laptop, this is the way to go. This is $699. Let's get you open, buddy. Come on. So since I do have an iMac Pro, this probably isn't something that I will be using that often when I am at home. This is something that you would be getting if your laptop was your primary computer. Whereas this actually, you can use it for the iMac Pro, so that'll be interesting to see if that makes any difference. This is really big. This is super aggressive. I mean, I guess it looks cool. It is a very consumer-friendly way to turn this Mac into a processing power beast. A lot of other eGPUs are massive, they're loud, so I'm gonna be interested to see what this thing sounds like. I know a lot of you guys are probably super hardcore PC people and you're probably laughing at this, but to that I say, not everyone is like you. I will say that these grays match pretty well. This has 4 USB ports and 2 Thunderbolts and an HDMI. You can connect various accessories here with the USB ports. If you've ever done any sort of VR stuff on your Mac, or if you have an HTC Vive, I've used that before when I'm editing 360 content. So that'll allow you to see the 360 stuff that you're editing in actual 360 when you're moving around. I'm very excited to try this out. I've always been fascinated by these and I have not ever had a chance to check them out. So now I have a really good reason to try this out and one of the Razer ones, which I've been eyeing up for quite a while. Ever since they announced support for eGPUs, I was like, that's something I want to get into. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This just was a quick little unboxing. I'm gonna start shooting and working on my review video. I kind of will be doing a comparison between just sort of my everyday workflow of editing videos between this MacBook, my other MacBook, and my iMac Pro. So just to give you guys a little comparison and a speed test to see how much time I will save. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys hit subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. I have a lot of fun stuff coming up, so I don't want you to miss it. Be sure to leave me some comments as well because I will be scrolling through there and replying to you guys. I would love to know what you guys think of the new eGPU and the new MacBooks. Well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Time to edit. Ooh, I'm gonna edit this on my I'm gonna edit this on my iMac Pro because the iMac Pro is still faster than this. And I don't have anything downloaded yet, so that's tomorrow's task.